Ready to capture the moment. I'll show you to enable the camera on Windows 11. Stay tuned for a quick guide to get you up and running. Click the Start button in the taskbar. Now select Settings. In the left pane, navigate to Privacy and App Security. In the right pane, select Camera. Now make sure that camera access is enabled. Click the Start button and navigate to Settings. Go to the Privacy and App Security and navigate to Cameras, just like in the previous solution. If you want to allow apps to have access to your camera, make sure that the Let Apps Access Your Camera option is enabled. Now you can select specifically which apps can access your camera. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.